Hello, I'm Joe. Welcome to our home. Vegetables, fruit and herbs. Welcome back to Joe's Allotment channel. What we're going to do this morning is make some strawberry cordial. We've picked quite a lot of strawberries this year, and one of the ways of using it is to make some cordial. You can buy cordial very cheap in the shops, but I doubt it'll taste anything like this one. It's absolutely superb taste. And it uses a lot less sugar than they use in shop bought cordials, and in a lot of recipes we've found as well. This seems to use a little bit less sugar. So the first step would be, we've got 500 grams of strawberries in there. So I'll add a cup of water to that, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. So what I'll do is we'll blend that up now, so to chop all the bits up together, and put it in a bowl and actually leave it in the fridge for a couple of days so all the flavours can infuse into the water, and then we'll move on to the next step after that. So the first step is to blend it. That's blended up really well, and it's chopped all the strawberries up. So put that into the bowl now. It's quite a thick liquid. So we leave that in the fridge now for a couple of days, and then we'll move on to the next stage after that. So just to recap, we've mixed 500 grams of strawberries, a cup of water and a teaspoon of sugar, and we've left that in the lemon juice, actually, not sugar. We've left that in the fridge for 48 hours so it all absorbs the flavours. So what we do now, we sieve it into a bowl. Cooking bowl?
Saucepan
Even? I don't know, not sure. Through muslin, and we'll squeeze out the juice so we get as much juice as we can out. And then we'll heat it, adding 300 grams of sugar, 290 grams of sugar. So it's fully dissolved the sugar, and boil it for about 5 minutes. And then we'll funnel it straight into a pre-sterilised bottle, and we'll keep that, once it's cooled down obviously, keep it in the fridge for up to a month, or you can freeze it. You can freeze it as well. Tastes lovely actually with sparkling water. We like it, a little bit of sparkling, put sparkling water on it. It's nice, sort of a fizzy strawberry cordial drink. So the first step is to put the muslin over the sieve, pour it through. This might take a while to actually all go through. It's quite thick. I might have to do this in stages, I think. So that's the liquid in the saucepan now. So all you've got left basically is the strawberry pips left actually. I mean, you can, if you don't want to do it through a muslin, you can actually do it straight through the sieve and just work it with the spoon until the liquid all goes through and leaves the pits behind, because they won't go through. So yeah, I mean, that's all that's left. That tastes quite nice. It tastes quite nice actually. So the next step would be to add the sugar, dissolve it while it's warming up, and bring it to a boil for 5 minutes. So we'll do that next in a minute. So it's just heating up very slowly. I'll put the 290 grams of sugar in. I just keep stirring that now so that's dissolved. Shouldn't take too long. Gradually increase the heat. Bring it to a boil and let it boil for about 5 minutes. Right, so that's cooled down a bit, so it's just a matter of now funneling it into the bottle. That's it. So another way of actually freezing it is to freeze it in ice cubes. You can then put an ice cube straight into a drink. So yeah, so that's a nice strawberry cordial. Another way of using up your glut of strawberries if you've got a glut. So you can make jam, you can make cordial, you can freeze them whole. We've frozen some already in sort of batches. Just de-stalk them, wash them, dry them, and then put them in the freezer on trays, and then once they're all frozen, put them in a bag. So yeah. Hope you found that informative and enjoyed it. If you've enjoyed the video, give us a like, and hopefully you'll come back and visit the channel again at some future date. Thanks very much for watching, and happy gardening everybody.